Now we're gonna make this really cute little gift for a teacher. I actually bought these at a dollar store, and I thought they were great for organizing. So I just threw some rubber bands, paper clips, and then some candies. And I'm just going to clip these up. And I'm just going to stack these up. Take my Bowdabra Scrunchie Ribbon, and I'm just gonna put this here and lay that like that. And then I'm gonna just take my ribbon, take some bow wire, and I have it folded in half, so I can just pull this through a slip knot there. Take my wire and go the long way, and so I'll just bring this up here, and I already have my wire here, so I'm just gonna separate the ends, bring them around. Now we're gonna make the bow. So I'm taking my Bowdabra bow wire, laying it into the mini Bowdabra, tucking the ends underneath so they stay out of the way. I'm gonna take our red scrunchy ribbon and just scrunch that down into the mini Bowdabra. And then I have these two little curled pieces of corker ribbon. Doing this so that it looks like an apple. Then I'm just gonna take the two ends, pull them through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the mini Bowdabra. I'm gonna separate the ends, bring them around to the back, and I'm gonna take my bow and shape my bow. I'm just gonna clip the ends, and you have a really cute little teacher gift. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below, and also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.